John Stuart Mill was a member of Parliament, Britain में during the period of 1865 to 1860. Hannah Arendt, in her essay The Human Condition, identifies three levels of human activity: labor, work, and action. Work represents the activity of artists and craftsmen. Action is the highest activity which refers to the public interaction between the equal citizens. Action belongs to the sphere of politics. Labor is the lowest level of activity in which man engages for the fulfillment of physical needs. Identify the essential facts related to the German philosopher George Friedrich Hegel. Though Hegel's version of idealism is known as dialectical idealism, Hegel sought to describe the dialectical process in terms of thesis, antithesis, and synthesis. Hegel authored the book Phenomenology of the Spirit. Karl Marx was highly influenced by the Hegel, who suggested that bourgeois assumptions and values needed to be overthrown by the establishment of a rival proletarian hegemony and the manufacture of the consent. Antonio Gramsci. People who should rule are those who know about politics. Aristotle. The achievement of the freedom through the abolition of exploitation and oppression is Karl Marx. The principle of equal basic liberties is John Rawls. Freedom, rights, and citizenship of women as well as of men. Mary Wollstonecraft. Key elements of Machiavelli include classification of political regimes, ideas on the republicanism, analyzing the power, and उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो है स्टेट एज अ क्लास मार्क्स एंड लेनिन, स्टेट एज एथिकल लाइफ रूसो, हीगल एंड ग्रीन, एंड उसके बाद स्टेट एज अ पावर मैकियावेली एंड होब्स, मिनिमल स्टेट हो जाएगा हैइक एंड नोजिक. नेक्स्ट इज हियर according to the Plato, the human soul consists of three elements: reason, spirit, and appetite. This is true. The state is the individual writ large. तो ये मतलब ठीक है, लेकिन ये एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहा है हमारे असर्शन को. नेक्स्ट इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टू आर करेक्ट रिगार्डिंग द एडोप्शन ऑफ इंडक्टिव मेथड. तो ये हो जाएगा मैकियावेली एंड थॉमस हॉब्स. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो है वो ये है, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग थिंकर्स होल्ड्स द व्यू दैट नो सिटीजन शुड बी सफिशिएंटली opulent to be able to purchase another and none so poor as to be forced to sell himself. So this is Rousseau. Next is dialectic method was used for the first time in the writing of which one of the following thinkers. So this is Plato. According to the Aristotle, which of the following statements are correct? तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा police should be large enough to guarantee self sufficiency and small enough to ensure good government, and the police was natural and prior to the individual, not chronologically but teleologically, and police is the highest and most comprehensive of human associations. Next is who among the following scholars had leveled the criticism against J.S. Mill that we cannot separate two different compartments of individual conduct. So this is Barker. Cotilia's theory of Raj Mandala belongs to foreign policy and interstate relation, and while justifying the slavery, Aristotle says from the hour of birth some men are marked out for the subjection and others for the rule, and that men of capacity, foresight, self-reliance, and the life of virtue are intended by nature to work with their mind, that they have capacity to discharge intelligently their own duties only. Next is Karl Popper attacked the historicism of Plato and Hegel. Next, which one of the following is perfect, eternal, and fixed according to the Plato? So this is ideas, and the analects is related to the Confucius. Next is here, virtue is knowledge. Virtue is knowledge, Plato. Success is virtue, Machiavelli. Knowledge is power, Foucault, and power is production of intended effects. So this is Russell, who had differentiated between natural and conventional inequality. So this is Rousseau.